Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a classroom within the Littlescribe platform. Once you've got your teacher login details, it's really important to create a classroom. It allows your students to put their work, their digital books, into their own libraries and to share their books with others, providing them with an audience and a purpose for their writing. So here I'm in the My Classroom section of the platform in the Teacher Toolkit. I need to go over to here, create or select a classroom, and I'm going to create a new classroom. It's asking for your classroom name, grade, your school, and to give a password for when your students can't remember their passwords, and add a class. Now the easiest way to import your student details is to click on Import Class and it will tell you, let us do the work for you. So use the Excel template that's in the Littlescribe platform, or you can send us a list on Word, that's fine too. We need names of your children, the class and your school, and just email your list and we'll send you an email back telling you when your classroom has been created. Once your classroom's there, you'll be able to see all your students, you'll be able to connect students to their parents, so your kids really get the most out of using the Littlescribe platform. Thank you.